The Great Wall Visibility Myth. They say a myth becomes powerful not because it's true, but because people want it to be. And few myths have captured the world's imagination quite like the claim that the Great Wall of China can be seen from space. But the real story behind that belief? It's stranger, more dramatic, and far more human than most people realize. It begins in the 1970s, when the space age was still young, and astronauts were spoken of like modern-day demigods. Schools taught children that space was a new frontier, a place only the boldest humans had touched. And somewhere along the way, a single idea took hold. If anything on Earth was grand enough to be seen from orbit, surely it must be the Great Wall. The rumor spread quietly at first, an offhand line in textbooks, a confident claim in tourist brochures, a proud whisper repeated by guides along the wall's ancient stones. People liked the sound of it. It felt poetic. It felt earned. After all, the wall stretched like a sleeping dragon across mountains and valleys. Why shouldn't it be visible from space? But as technology advanced, astronauts began to tell a different story. From orbit, they said, the wall wasn't a glowing scar across the Earth. It wasn't even a clear line. It blended with the land, made of the same stone and soil as the mountains it rested on. Even with perfect weather, perfect lighting, it was nearly impossible to find. Still, the myth refused to die, because by then it wasn't just a fact, it was a feeling, a symbol of human effort, a testament to centuries of labor, sacrifice, and ambition. And feelings don't disappear just because science disagrees. As astronauts like Neil Armstrong and Wang Yiping patiently explained the truth, public fascination only grew. Television specials dramatized the search for the wall from space. Magazines printed side-by-side images, challenging readers to spot the dragon. Scientists weighed in, historians countered, and a strange tension formed between pride and reality. Yet in all that noise, something deeper stirred, an extraordinary realization. The Great Wall didn't need to be visible from orbit to be magnificent. Its value wasn't measured in the height of its stones or the length of its shadow, but in the stories of the people who built it, the soldiers who guarded it, the families who lived beside it, the generations who walked its winding spine under sun, snow, and silence. And so the myth endured, not as a fact, but as a reminder. A reminder that humans don't look to space to see walls. We look to space to see ourselves differently, small, connected, part of something wider than any monument could ever contain. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.